Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And today I want to show you how to put on your eyelashes, your false eyelashes. These are the eyelashes. They come in this box. It is not focusing, but it is Mark 3D eyelashes. So ndizo hizi, and the glue that I use is this eyelash glue. I know ni kuisha inaisha, so lazima iishe. Now I want to show you, so let's go straight to the whole eyelash tutorial. So this is the glue and these are the eyelashes. They are 3D. What is it? You can see them well because of this clear packet. So yeah, so this is how you remove them, like this. You just slide them like this. Like that. So we are going to start with this one first. You apply your glue kidogo tu, not a lot. Yeah, like that. Like that, glue kidogo, and then so nishapaka glue and I have to wait for it to dry. So you can also pepeta. Unaweza ipepeta ndio inini dry faster. So isha kauka. Now it is time to place it. So this is how you hold it, like this. Ndio it will be easier kuwekelea ukiwa umeshika hivi hapa kwa end. So it is as simple as that. You can see the difference with this and this. See? So on to the next eye, and this is the left eye, which is kind of tricky because I'm right-handed, but let's see how that one goes. And I'm done, just like that. You can see the whole face just changed like that. So thank you for watching the eyelash tutorial, the first eyelash tutorial and how to install them. And yeah, so subscribe if you haven't, and like this video and comment and share, and bye. See you in the next video.